We're going to be taking a look at this magnetic filter set that was sent over for me to test and make this video. I'm going to give you guys a quick demonstration of each one of these filters on my Pocket 3 that I'm recording on so that you can decide if these are right for you or not. Let's get into it. So guys, this set is pretty straightforward. It's basically lenses for most of your situations. So you've got your wide angle lens, you've got a black mist lens, you've got a variable ND filter for ND2 to ND32, as well as a circular polarizer. So I'm going to try these on my Pocket 3 kind of one by one so you guys can look at the effect on video. So let's start off with the wide angle lens. I'm going to put this on and we're going to see what we get. So as you see, we got a much wider field of view now using the wide angle lens. I'm going to take it back off. You can see how much that shrunk down. Now we're going to go with the black mist. So this here is supposed to soften the skin. You can kind of see what happened there, if anything. That's the black mist lens. I'm going to take that back off now. That's without. Now we're going to go on with the CPL lens. So you guys can see that. Now this CPL is more for, taking reflections off of glass and water, which I don't have here. And I'm gonna spin this around. Really no effect. Obviously, it's no glass of water to take the reflections off of, but that's the circular polarizer lens. All right, so now I've got my camera in manual mode, and as you can see, I'm super overexposed. So I'm gonna go on with the variable ND now. And this is on the first stop. Let's go up to the second stop, third stop, fourth stop, and fifth stop. So as you can see, that variable ND is definitely taking light away. We're back down to the first stop now, and we're going to come back off, no filter. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for a good mix of filters for your Pocket 4, Pocket 3, or Xtra Muse, you may want to check these out. I hope this helps.